Hi guys, in front of me is TCL 408 and let me show you how to activate night mode. At first open the settings, then find and select display right here, and you will notice here eye comfort mode marker, and you can either turn it on right now so it will be active in this particular moment, and then you will have to switch it off manually by yourself, or you can schedule it by using this second switcher, automate schedule, and here you can pick from sunset to sunrise, so it will be active between sunset and sunrise, or at custom hours, so here you can manage the hours in which it will be active. So that's it, that will be all. So you can activate and also personalize your eye comfort mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.